Hi everyone, so today we are going to see how to configure messaging policy in Microsoft Teams. So what exactly is a messaging policy? It's the one which goes ahead and controls which chat and channel messaging features are available to the members of that particular team. By default, there is an organization-wide global policy which is applied, but we can always go ahead and create a custom messaging policy and apply it to a particular team or a particular user. Right guys, so let's see how the messaging policies come into picture. I have already logged into my Microsoft Teams Admin Center, and on the left hand side you can see messaging policies. Right, so if you can see, there is already a global policy which is available. If you see, there are some settings over here. In our case, we will leave these settings as it is, but we'll go ahead and create our own custom policy, which we will go ahead and apply it to a particular group. So if I have to create my own policy, click on add, and that's where you get the name. So let me go ahead and create a policy for my own company. Okay. Now in this particular case, I would go ahead and say owners can delete the messages, they can delete sent messages, they can delete the chat, they can edit sent messages, read receipts are again user controlled or can be turned on for everyone, they can chat in a particular channel. Do I want to allow GIFs? Maybe strict, moderate, no restriction, any kind of GIFs can be sent. Similarly, memes allowed in conversations, stickers allowed in conversations, URL previews. If I'm pasting a URL, is there a preview available? Do I want translate messages, immersive reader for messaging, create voice messages, suggested replies, chat permission rule. These are all the options which are available. We'll go ahead and save this policy, which is our custom policy. Now the custom policy is available, and once I select this, I have the option of assigning it to a particular user, or I can assign it to a particular group. So if I have to assign it to a particular group, I'll go into the group policy assignment, add it, and search for my group which is available. So in my case, we only have one particular group, which is Formazion, and I add it. Which policy I want to go ahead and apply, I can apply that policy. Over here, I'm not going ahead and applying any policy. What we'll go ahead and do is I will apply a policy onto a particular user. Right, so we'll go ahead and assign this particular policy, which I've already selected, to a particular user. Search a particular user whom you want to go ahead and apply the policy, add and apply. So you'll see test 1 will get this particular policy, rest all the users will get the global policy which was applied. We will go ahead and apply the same policy to our administrator also, so that he is allowed to delete whatever messages he has sent. So we can see that the administrator has sent some messages, and if he wants to go ahead and edit these messages, just click on edit and he can change it to edited, and that's what he can do. Right, the other part is to delete the sent messages. Now this policy definitely takes time, and you might have to go ahead and sign in again with the user whom you want to test this. Now if I wanted to go ahead and delete this edited message, on the right hand side I can see more options. Click on more options and you will see the delete option. The message has been deleted. I can always go ahead and undo this particular message. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Pradeep Rane, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.